In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Coursera in Nigeria. It's a simple process that you can easily follow to gain access to a wealth of knowledge and skills through Coursera. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Coursera's website, which is www.coursera.org. Then once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Click this button and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by providing a valid email address and setting up a secure password. Once you've logged in, it's time to choose the course you want to enroll in. You can use the search bar on the Coursera homepage to find your desired course. After you've located it, click on the course title to open the main course page. Here you can explore the course syllabus, instructors, and reviews to ensure it's the right fit for you before proceeding. Next, you'll want to check the available payment options for the course. To do this, click on the Enroll or Purchase Course button, usually found on the course page. Coursera offers several payment methods, including credit and debit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Additionally, PayPal is another convenient option. It's important to note that in Nigeria, most international cards that are enabled for online payments should work. However, make sure your card is authorized for international transactions to avoid any issues. Once you're ready to pay, you'll need to enter your payment details. If you're using a card, fill in the required information, such as the name on the card, card number, expiration date, and CVV or CVC code. For a seamless transaction, double-check that the billing address you enter matches the one your bank has on file. Before completing the purchase, it's wise to review the total cost, including any taxes or fees that may apply. Once you're satisfied with the details, you can proceed by clicking Enroll or Pay Now to finalize the transaction. After payment is successful, you'll gain full access to the course content and any certificates it may offer upon completion. There are also alternative payment options you might consider. Many Nigerian banks and fintech services like Paystack, Flutterwave, or GTBank virtual dollar cards provide virtual card services for international transactions. Alternatively, you can link your local bank account or card to a PayPal account and use it to pay. Lastly, make sure to verify your access. Head over to the My Courses section on the Coursera platform and click on your